So you guys seen a couple failures on the SpaceX happen? Well, now they have a lighter on this. This is actually a torch, all right? If you guys can see that, it's gonna torch in the back. Now, one thing that I didn't know at the beginning is that you have to fill it up in the front here, on the front of the base, all right? So the fill up is gonna be here. There's a plus and minus on it, if you guys can see that. And then just lock it in. And then once you fill it up, there it is. Now, the best thing about it is you could control the flame too. And it says caution, flame hot, right? But the best thing I like is just you can always refill it from the top. You don't have to worry about it. When I first got it, I was going to actually fill it up. If I didn't read the instructions, I would have filled it up there. God knows what would have happened. So just make sure you're aware that you don't fill up from here. It has to be from within the top. And you control the manual here, right? So what I do it, I'm going to actually burn off some of the stuff. I use it for my 3D printing. If you guys can see, there's a couple of strings. And so just pass it once. That's pretty much what I use it for. Pretty much for a lot of, not only that, cooking, but it's just the aesthetics of it. It looks nice and clean. And also, I forgot to tell you there is an actual station here that you can see how much gas you have. All right, so there is a little indication there how much if you need to add some more or so forth. So little rocket on your own little rocket. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.